NC Piedmont Outdoors presents Pathfinder Camping Multi-Fuel Stove Chicken with Potato Gnocchi.
Hey everybody, this is Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors, back again at the hunting property. Just got finished with the morning hunt, had a small little three-pointer come walking around, but that was about it. And now I'm just going to make myself some lunch here. So what have I got for you today? I've certainly got my Pathfinder canteen cook set. I've got my multi-fuel Pathfinder camping stove that I'm going to use, and as I promised in some of my other videos, I've got a 1 pound propane camping gas container, and I'm going to hook the multi-fuel stove up to this and use the adapter for it. So I'll walk you through as I set that up. Basically just going to make something real quick and simple. I'm just going to make some chicken gravy with a can of chicken here, and I've got some potato gnocchi that I've used before in some of my other videos. So I'm just going to basically throw that all together and make like a quick chicken and dumpling kind of thing. So just some chicken gravy, gnocchi, and some chicken. So should be really good. As always, I'm going to this video I should say, I'm going to use again my Pathfinder skillet with my lid. I've got my Gerber complete tool that I'm going to use. So let me go ahead and unpack the multi-fuel stove, and we'll show you getting this or how to hook up that 1 pound propane tank. Stay tuned. Alright everybody, so I've got my windscreen up here to protect from the wind. I've got the stove unfolded here. So with the multi-fuel camping stove, it comes with this adapter for using those propane bottles. So once I take it out of this little bag that it comes in, obviously. Okay, so the trick with this one is you have to connect this to the hose or the connector on the multi-fuel stove first. And then once you do that, then you connect this piece into the propane tank. Because this is just, if you just put this onto the propane tank, the gas is just going to come spewing out. So you've got to make sure that you first connect the adapter piece to your hose and make sure the valve is off. Then you're going to take this and you connect it into the propane tank, which I'll show you now. All right, so I took the plastic rubber piece off the top of the bottle, so I'm just going to go ahead and put this on, and I'm going to screw the bottle into the adapter. Let's make sure we get that on. Okay, it's good and tight. It's good and tight. All right. Get my matches, and we'll go ahead and get this lit. Oh, blew that out. All right, let's try again. Turn this on. Alright, so we got that lit, you can see, yep, oh yeah, it's on, it's hot, it's blowing, so again, it's just loud, so it's certainly when I'm filming, you can definitely pick up the noise from the fuel and from the stove. So I'm just going to go ahead and adjust this a little bit. All the way up, kind of looks like that. You can hear it, you can see it turning the stove a little red there. Hot. Just going to turn this down. Alright, let's go ahead and start getting our meal ready. So, got my Pathfinder skillet. So, put this on here. And open up my chicken. I just canned a Walmart chicken. I'm just going to go ahead and dump this in. also brought with me. I keep it in my frying pan kit kind of thing. Get that out. Perfect. Alright, this will go in the trash later. So I'm going to go ahead and let this heat up and start cooking, and then once that's done, I'll bring it back. I'm not going to need my oil today because I just decided just to use the liquid that was in the can from the chicken. So I'm just going to do that, and then of course since I'm making gravy mix, that'll be perfect for that. So I'm just going to let this cook for a little bit, and as soon as it's done, I'll bring it right back.
Alright everybody, just a quick word from our sponsors. First of all, Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for a hunter. And if you're interested in getting a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware and surrounding areas. If you're looking for pool or spa needs, please give them a call. And Sign Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.signscientist.com or call 919-685-7641.
Alright, so let's go ahead and lift this lid and check our chicken. Oh, perfect. So it's nice and got some good bubble there. Starting to cook up nicely. So what I'm going to do now is pretty simple. I'm going to just go ahead and add this Walmart Great Value chicken gravy mix. I'm just going to dump that right in there with just a little touch more water. Let's take the lid off. Gravy mix right into there. Perfect. Put that in the garbage bag. I'm going to take our potato gnocchi, and you can pick these up at the dollar store like I did. I'm going to drop these in there. There we go. Perfect. And then I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to take a little bit more water from my Pathfinder canteen. I don't need a ton because I left the liquid in from the can of chicken. So I'll just give this a quick stir. Mix up the packet mix in there. Perfect. So I'm going to go ahead and put the lid back on and let that gnocchi and the gravy mix and kind of absorb some of those flavors. And we'll just let that go for maybe 5-10 minutes, and then I'll bring it back and kind of show you the final product and show you what it looks like. Alright everybody, let's take the lid off and see what we got. Oh my, look at that. Absolutely delicious. It's sticking a little bit to the bottom, so I gotta stir it a little bit. Go ahead and do that. Yeah, I don't want it sticking too bad to the bottom, but the stainless steel, you know, sometimes that happens. But if you look at that, that looks absolutely delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and turn down the stove and turn it off. Make sure the valve's completely off, and it is. Kind of just give you a nice look at that. I mean, this is great. It's just the chicken, the potato gnocchi, and that little pack of gravy mix makes like a perfect, you know, kind of chicken and dumpling kind of recipe. And then everything obviously here again is something you can take with you if you're truck camping or hiking for the day or whatever, right? You know, can of chicken, or you can even take it in a pack of chicken. You know, it comes in packs now. A little bag of potato gnocchi. You can get a whole package at the dollar store for $1.25 now, because I guess it's no longer the dollar store. And a packet of gravy mix at Walmart, I don't remember how much it was. Gosh, was it a little dollar, maybe a little over, maybe a little less. Look at that. I mean, after sitting out here this morning and it's pretty cold, to have a nice hot meal is just absolutely perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a taste test with some chicken and some gnocchi right there. Perfect. Delicious. I didn't even bring any salt and pepper with me or anything spice wise today. I was in a rush kind of coming out this morning. I want to make sure I got here early enough to see what was going around. But yeah, this is absolutely great. A great quick meal right after hunting, and then of course on the trail, as I mentioned. So for the propane, you know, so again, I've used this stove with the white gas and the container that it comes with. I showed you that in a previous video. I've had 2 videos now with the fuel canister type of fuel, and now finally I got to use the 1 pound propane tank. So yeah, it worked great. It's just loud, you know, the stove, obviously you can hear it when it's going. It's pretty loud, but you know, you're truck camping, you're out on the trail, you know, you're not worried about, you know, stuff like that. So it actually worked out pretty well, and then, you know, now I'll take that off. Now when you're taking this off, the key thing to remember is you have to remove the container from the adapter first, because again, if you were to take the hose piece off here, this is just an open, and it would just be spewing fuel. So you got to make sure you take the canister off out of this adapter first. Then once you do that, then you can take off the adapter, and I'll put the little plastic piece back on and save this propane tank for my buddy heater when I use it later in the year, or I'll use it again to cook with in another video. So it worked out pretty well. All right, everybody. Again, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. You know, if you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Hit those notifications buttons so you know when my new video drops. Try to get them out as fast as I can, depending on what my schedule is. But I hope you liked it. Hope you like what you saw here today. So please go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and also, you know, any comments you have, I'm happy to reply to them, and you know, hopefully we can grow this channel. I still got 58 subscribers, which is pretty awesome, but hoping to grow that to certainly a lot more. So, but appreciate all the views and all the likes. Yeah, so all right, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my meal, and then head back home for the day until I come back out this evening for the evening hunt. And again, thanks for watching, appreciate it, and see you in the next vid soon.
NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, hunting, and fishing adventures. Thanks for watching. More videos coming soon.